Crowdhouse makes real estate investments accessible for everyone. My name is Ardian and I'm the co-founder and chairman of Crowdhouse. We offer our clients to participate in investment properties, which means they are co-owner of these properties. In the next 12 months, our goal is to open our platform to more players and actors of the real estate market. My wish would be that the whole notary and documentation and signing process with the authorities will be much more efficient. We have seen that during the Corona crisis that it works. It worked with not being present for every transaction, and I think there are ways to go. So my wish will be that the authorities kind of push this a little bit further and faster.